Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can edit reverse video on VN. So here I have already imported a video on my VN and I want to reverse this video. So what you guys can do is I'm going to go play the video first, and then I'm going to split the video in here, and then after that I'm going to reverse this first one right here. So I'm going to duplicate the video first, and then for the second one I'm going to reverse it. So click on the video and then swipe at the bottom until you see reverse. So this one's right here, and now it's processing. You can just wait, and after that here is the result for the reverse video edit. Okay, so you can see now it's reversing and now it's going back again. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks below, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.